So I wasn't sure if I was gonna make like reaction videos for every single episode of like the Joystick Joyride thing, but I asked Thomas on Twitter if he wanted to see them, and he said he wanted to. So here I am. It's essentially gonna be me watching you guys play video games for 20 minutes, but if that's what you want to see, then okay.
My socks, they creep it real.
I'm jealous of your friendships.
What is up, everybody?
Let's start the new one.
All right. Hey! It's a whole other episode.
Joystick
I'm
Joyride.
sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking of the rabbit.
Joystick Joyride.
We're doing another episode of Evil Within 2.
Yes.
How much
we are
caffeine did you
returning
guys
to Evil
have?
Within 2. We have looked at tutorials. We have done the training.
Well, we haven't though.
Yeah, you're lying.
We are going to return in and be just as bad as we once were, but we're going to work this out together. And we are going to. That's from Clue. It is also French.
Together. Is that the maid?
Yeah. Talon, since you didn't get to play it all in the last episode, literally at all, Camden took your turn. Do you want to go ahead and...
Yeah, Camden tried to give it a shot. And he
Totally.
blew it. I'm pretty sure criticism of the first Evil Within was that the intro was the best part, and then from then on it was downhill. And I'm hoping that's not the rest of this game, where I was like, oh, it was really cool, and then it's just kind of lame.
Okay.
All right, sneak around the car as this comes up. She's coming. Sneak around the car and do a sneak attack. Get that bottle.
Okay,
In
finally...
the beetle.
Get that kombucha. All right, she's behind the car. Go sneak attack her.
Oh my gosh! What the hell? Dude, girl, you...
Well, that was the ground.
Okay, you did not behave how I wanted you to behave.
Do you think that's the zombie of Lara Croft? I think it's the same color scheme.
It
Green.
did...
It's Lori Croft.
Okay, so I can throw... Let's see here.
Can you throw it a knife?
How do you throw the freaking bomb?
I thought it said L2.
It's equipped. L2?
Yeah, it wasn't equipped before.
You didn't equip it.
I definitely
You didn't
equipped
equip it.
Whip it good.
Whip it. Whip it good.
Can I just go over here and...
David. Yeah, the fastest left.
Wait, I didn't. I just unequipped.
Step on the crack. Frank, your mama's back.
What is going on?
Okay.
Behind.
Now whip it.
Shiny blue.
In the shit.
Gosh.
Move forward.
Sneak kill.
Press X, press X, press X.
Pressy.
Up, up.
Whoa!
my gosh.
Sneak out, press X, press X.
I'm pressing X.
Press X, press X.
I'm pressing X.
You only got your fisties.
Press X.
You gotta get your
I
knife.
literally am pressing X.
Press X.
You gotta get your killing.
Press X.
I feel like I'm you, and Joan and Town are the few times I play with my friends.
Gosh, you are...
Try pressing X.
I'm gonna lose.
Thomas Sanders!
Turn, dude. Freaking doubt.
I'm kidding. You swear all you want. You're an adult.
The alternate Mr. Hyde from League of Extraordinary Gentlemen, the movie. Show a picture of him. There's a Mr. Hyde in that movie. You did it.
I'm so mad.
You just run
This
past
game is...
all of them. You don't need
this
to fight them.
running? Yeah. You definitely tried that.
No one's tried running past him.
I will.
Where are we running?
Football's going on, by the way, if you heard that.
That's it.
Remember, you've got stamina. There's a
that
hole in
road
the
is-
street.
Oh no! Oh no!
And yet you continue
No!
past it.
No! Get up, boy!
That works.
Get up, boy!
Run that way.
I'm trying. He's stupid. I spilled.
Look to your right. I've been spitting this whole time. Go in there. Run.
I'm trying to run, but I am injured. You see?
R2. R2.
I love him.
Shove. Shove.
Try pressing X.
This is why everyone's beating him up.
And you die.
Oh no!
Now we'll get this.
Oh, now you're Batman.
Sneak kill that boy.
Sneak killing doesn't seem to have been working.
Sneak
Okay,
kill.
Talon, do our first
I
sneak
leave
kill.
close enough.
Press X.
There we go.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh. It actually works.
Because I'm amazing.
Bless you.
Get in that door.
See, I'm a master.
If that was a sneeze.
Oh, they coming. No, get out of here.
Yeah, they're just go.
Yeah, do
Get them
that.
out of there.
That's a good idea.
They're just a nuisance at this point.
Is that what we were supposed to do the whole time?
Yes.
I'm so glad Talon is behind the wheel this time.
I got
Leave it to
good
Talon.
intuition. That's probably a place from Florida. Let's be
What's in that?
Intuition.
Yeah.
Come to sunny Intuition.
What was in that room you painted?
I don't know. I'm looking around.
Yeah, there's a lot to look at, Joan. Just let them do what they're doing.
There's a lot to play in this game.
This guy. Okay, back to the story.
Is that worthless guy?
Yeah, he's a coward.
Hey, Talon, didn't that zombie noise sound like my dad coughing in the bathroom up through there? My dad's got a coughing problem, and then in the bathroom he's like,
Oh my
That's what it sounds like. It wakes you up.
I'm glad I'm not part of that.
It's that, and it happens over and over again.
Right. I don't work for Mobius, but I'm sent here by them.
Ooh.
Have you seen what those things out there?
Have you seen what those things out there? What they can do? Okay.
Stop! Or I'll shoot!
Brave boy.
Ooh, I'm O'Neill.
Oh, dramatic.
Neil O'Neill.
You think when Mr. O'Neill is his partner, they're like Neil O'Neill,
Oh my
Oh my god.
or Mr. O'Neill is praying. God's like Neil O'Neill, or Mr. O'Neill was a dog instead, and he was like barking on. They'd be like Heel O'Neill. Or if the dog bit you on the ankle, you'd be like my heel O'Neill.
Oh my god, Joe.
Delusions of grandeur. You're like, get real, O'Neill.
Oh my god. I love that this is happening while we're missing the storyline completely.
I know, we are
It doesn't
completely
matter.
missing the
It's
storyline.
gonna be like
O'Neill's saying some stuff. He's like, what are you gonna do? He's like, I won't steal, O'Neill.
all right.
Oh, I have to pick things now that we haven't paid attention
Wait,
at
just
all.
you ask him questions. You're like, hey, tell me about this.
Who's your favorite basketball player? Shaquille O'Neal.
Oh my
That's
god.
not really the question.
Hey, or if like someone like took a bite out of an orange like an apple, it's like you don't eat the peel, O'Neill.
God.
What are your zeal, O'Neill?
Y'all would fail Detroit Become Human.
Key and peel, O'Neill.
When you're trying to make fruit preserves with him, and you're making jelly, and he wants to eat it really fast, but you say you have
Wait
to
for
let
it
it
congeal, O'Neill.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
When he
my
gets a
gosh.
sunburn and then he like peels it off and then blood comes out. I don't know.
He didn't even have a punchline?
I already said peel, O'Neill.
You did, twice.
I suck at this. Don't have me on next time. Don't kill the seal, O'Neill.
Yay.
Don't kill the seal.
Yeah, he's working for like
SeaWorld.
SeaWorld.
Compliments to the maker of the meal, O'Neill.
Just grab things.
Do it.
I'll grab that bottom.
Ooh.
Wow, that's inappropriate. So Townsend is making
Oh, but
something.
Neil O'Neill isn't?
Doing some things.
Everyone's gonna be yelling at me because I kind of just like went around in a circle, pressed a bunch of buttons, and now I'm leaving. And I didn't ask all of the questions. I didn't read anything. I didn't
Talon,
listen.
you're
I'm
dooming
just
us.
leaving. Sorry about it.
You can turn the O.
Is that spooky ghost?
She's a maid?
Sissy lady.
That dissolve effect was not very good.
Not good.
Was that
It's an old game. Cut us some slack.
seafood. You'd say eel, O'Neill.
Oh gosh.
We're still doing this?
Oh no, I don't want to go outside. No.
What's your favorite 90s show? Alec McBeal, O'Neill.
Go back inside, you freaking fart.
There you go.
Jeez, you dum-dum.
Neil's safe house. Go to that mirror.
Oh yeah, you tried.
What will it reveal, O'Neill? Hold.
Wait, but I told you to go outside. Part of the mission was like,
He's like, oh wait, I'm gonna go outside.
I'm doing
you
it.
could come back.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
should I?
But should I?
No, go.
Should I go through the
If I
mirror?
die, wait, I'm gonna go save.
Wait, I'm gonna do it. No turning back now. Wait, I'm having second thoughts. Okay. O'Neill's like, the door's open. Yeah.
He's just running around the room, too.
Yeah, he's
Just grabbing.
Are you having a hard time getting around my safe house? What is wrong with you?
He's grabbing all the stuff. O'Neill's like, sure, help yourself to all of my stuff.
Camden, can you not make a mess?
Go outside.
You gotta go outside.
Eat it. Sorry.
Like, go outside to use your communicator, he said.
Something's going on.
Find the signal he mentioned.
Signal to what? I don't know. You guys talked over it.
Good content.
Looks pretty far away. But it's the only need I've got.
It's gonna be me crying into a container of Ben and Jerry's.
That'd be the creepiest thing so far.
Yeah, if I was in it, if it was just me and like my
You're just
underwear and a t-shirt, and I'm eating Ben and Jerry's, and you look over and I'm not here,
Oh my gosh.
and you're just in the game.
That's like a creepypasta.
Yeah.
What's going down, boy?
I'm so confused.
And then Ben J. Pierce shows up and he's like, I'm gonna do your makeup.
Oh my
And I'm like, and and then suddenly it's just vanilla instead of chocolate brownie ice cream, and that's the scariest thing. Yeah.
This is highly complicated.
This is feeling a lot like Silent Hill 2.
I'm getting too far away from the mirror. I'm going back to the mirror. I'm gonna miss out on.
We keep going to destinations and then turning around.
Go use the mirror.
I'm using the mirror.
Why do you want
We're
to go
supposed
to
to
the
find the
mirror?
signal.
We're gonna freaking miss out on it if we don't go now.
You used up all your running. Do you want to go to the
We're doing it for real this time. Oh.
You're back in the starting room where we started the
Sebastian's
playthrough.
room?
Yeah,
Wait,
we're
are
so
we really?
confused.
Oh, there's no way back.
No, there's a mirror. Remember, we had to find the mirror the first time.
Hey, let's do it again. It's fine. I'm supposed to follow her.
Nervous clapping. I love that. That's like something Patton would do.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, good job. What did you
Gosh,
do?
what is going on?
Sit in it, boy. Head.
What? Who in their right mind would sit in that?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, did I just leave the simulation?
That'd be interesting, wouldn't it?
Oh, I did.
Oh, it's a nurse, not a maid. She gonna make problems. Oh my gosh.
Go.
Watch those hands.
Turkey time. Gobble, gobble.
Upgrade.
Upgrade that
What
brain.
are we upgrading?
Monoggin. Okay, so
well,
what are we leveling up?
I say combat.
I vote
I'm
combat.
always a health person.
Combat, outroll, out.
You can't even talk. What are we doing this let's play for?
How much do we have? Oh, green gel is
I
where
don't
we
have
use
enough
the
for
stuff.
any.
Okay, so we can't do any
Maybe
of
we
this.
can come back here.
Wait, what is she doing? You can turn to her too, can't you? You can talk.
You got any green gel?
I'm standing up. I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, we don't have any green gel.
No
Sorry.
green gel.
So how do I get back to where I
Every time you see a mirror, it takes you back here.
Ooh, what can you do here?
I don't got enough
Don't
parts.
cry, crap. You can't go there. Go back around. You missed
She
it.
literally just
Go
did
through
the don't
door.
cry
There
craft.
it
Oh
is.
my
It's an
gosh.
entrance, please. Oh, is the cat? Is the cat still here?
Kitty, kitty.
Kitty cat.
Love you.
All right, go through that mirror.
I will.
You spit on my wrist. And we're not friends anymore.
That's a good 21 pilots clearing.
Oh my god.
All right, Tan, where you go?
Was that subtle shade or was that just a joke? 21 Pilots is amazing.
Is that a little friend? Oh,
Hey, it's me.
little friend.
Oh!
Get out of here,
Gosh.
fucking bitch.
Get him! Got him.
Oh my gosh, you did it, Tal.
Look around.
That green gel.
The green gel.
Get the ectoplasm.
Get the
Well
ectoplasm.
done.
Get the ectoplasm.
What is going on?
I don't know how much good shit we got in that recording session. We got 3 minutes.
We got a lot of those O'Neill bits.
Most of it.
That was most of it. All right, well, okay, so...
Yeah, that was most of it.
It did not seem like he made it through. I thought he just, like, opened it and it...
Yeah, same.
What's that to your left? What's the
Yeah,
glowy
there's
thing?
something glowy.
Okay.
Glowy to the glowy.
Wow, Talon, that's some good shit.
Go into the glowy.
Glowy.
Uh-oh.
He looks silly.
Oh,
Oh, what did he?
Oh, you're...
Oh, get out of here!
What? How, guys?
Everyone has the worst luck
Guys.
with me, apparently.
Yeah, seriously.
Well, you got health. You might as well use your health. You gotta.
Oh,
You're gonna kill.
Yeah,
I
you're
did
dead.
all this for nothing because you freaking killed me. As soon as I gave over the controller, you just fucking it all up.
I was just trying to follow the signal.
Oh, wait, you gotta go on the ground
Okay.
because You messed up and all of my progress went away. You gotta get stuff on the shelf and
Right.
you should pick up the little rat tat to put them on your shoulders. So,
I'm talking about me.
You're sneaking now.
you're sneaking down.
Apparently not, because they saw me.
Yeah,
Great.
Great.
Thomas, if you were walking in front of someone and then you just crouched down, would they stop knowing you're there? I don't think so.
There was, it's, it gave me like
Oh,
a...
never mind. I don't think you can. Get out of there, boy. Get out of there.
Yeah, you're
Listen.
kinda
Wait,
screwed.
I don't think you can. Oh, climb up. Climb me. Climb. No,
Yes,
don't
you
get
slashed that
safe
building.
in there. Look, safety.
They're gonna climb after you. Knock them
Are
off.
they? Okay.
Spartan.
Oh, look at that.
Get them off.
Yeah, knock him out. Knock him
Come
out.
on. Stop.
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 Oh, what the hell with the ladder?
Remove the letters.
Why are you going back up there? Oh my god.
Yeah, do the Lord of the Rings thing. No. Oh, no.
Bro, you are.
Just run, man.
Yes, kill him.
Movements.
Oh,
Look at me. I'm pressing R2, and you're doing nothing.
you
And
just
you-
threw a bottle at him.
Yep, I don't know why he's doing what he's doing.
Just run, Thomas, run.
He's awful. He's awful.
Get up
I don't
there.
understand it.
Hey, look, we're just slowly
No, keep going. Oh my gosh, the controls in this are awful.
Knock him off. Boom. There he goes. Bye. There he goes. Bye. Get back. Don't fall
I'm
off.
trying. I can't believe how bad the controls are.
I can't believe it's not butter.
Gosh.
Get
Oh
down,
my
jump off.
gosh.
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like you guys would do better with a first-person game. I feel like these third-person games are hard for you to control. You probably have an easier time with like a first-person shooter game.
No, Neil's place.
Well, you gotta get the little crying girl.
Go.
They have not made this an easy game.
Level up your combat.
I'm gonna be real, this game has gone downhill since we first started playing it.
Yeah. No, it's not as scary or enticing. Where's the safe house?
You don't really know what's going on though, because you guys talked over the story.
He can instantly kill some enemies, but will break after a single.
A single use? Gee,
You have
Manetti.
just not made this easy for
This
us.
game
Even
is
Manetti.
poopy.
That was my problem with The Last of Us. You make a knife and it breaks after one use.
Yeah.
You like stab him in the neck and the knife's like, well, that's all I got.
Make
You'd like Resident Evil 7 then.
brilliant.
Oh, that's it.
You don't have to worry about that.
You get a pipe.
Make a freaking homemade flamethrower and it never breaks.
Stab it and you're like, gotta make a new knife.
Oh, the mirror.
The mirror realm.
Oh,
Oh, no bother. I think we're getting some special skills.
combat, right?
You just can't stay away from this sexy can you? I don't know what accent that is.
Not hers.
Excuse me.
Level up that combat.
What's it say? Steady hands.
Steady hands.
What?
Reticle sway when firing.
No,
weapons.
we need to be stronger when you hit someone.
Do I have to select this one or
Yeah,
can I
you
select-
got
Yeah, that's how chains work.
The next one.
that cost me 1,000.
That cost you 1,000.
Back to 900. Well, this was a grand journey,
Okay,
everyone.
well that's episode 2. All right, let's call it an episode. That's it.
Now we're about to enter this church.
Yeah, we'll do it next episode.
Take
That's
me
it.
to church.
Episode 2.
If you're interested in any of my previous videos, click over here. If you're new to the channel and would like to subscribe, click down here. And if you're interested in becoming featured bander, click down here. That's it, and until next time, take it easy, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. Peace out.
Oh, look at this tail. It's trippy.
It looks like a nasty glove.
It looks like a weird alien hand.
That looks so wrong. Why?
This is weird.
Suck on your thumb.
No!
Sometimes I'm genuinely confused by what the hell is going through Joan's mind. Yeah, no, okay. Because I didn't really tweet my other... I did a reaction video to episode 2, but I didn't really tweet it at you because I felt like I was like... I don't really know. It was like, felt like it was kind of pointless or whatever, but I was worried you wouldn't really want to watch them because, you know, it's just me watching you guys play video games for 20 minutes. But in the last reaction video, I talked about what games you should play, plus like a little notes or whatever, my opinions on whatever. So I'll repeat those instead, so I can, you know, say that again, make sure you, like, heard them. I will say that if you play other games, I would try to, listen to the story more. Like, I get the whole gag is that you guys joke a lot, and, you know, you're not really paying attention. That's kind of the whole gag or whatever for this series. But if you were playing a game like Detroit Become Human or Resident Evil 7, you would want to know what was going on, and it would make the experience better if you took it more seriously. Like, I like it. I like this because, you know, it's funny, and, you know, I don't really know Evil Within 2 that well past, like, the big opening one you did, like, the chainsaw lady. That's all I knew about the game, and now I'm kind of just like, whatever. So, but if it was another game, and I'm sure that's different to other people who know the game better than me, but like Detroit Become Human or Resident Evil 7, I would want to see you guys take it like seriously and actually try to, like, you know, like actually figure out what was going on and like solve the mystery and actually survive, because Resident Evil 7 is terrifying, and it's also a very, very good game if you're looking for a horror game to play. And then you have like games later like Detroit Become Human that are just extremely brilliant games that I would love to see you guys play because that game is extremely choice based. I don't know how much you know about it, but every single choice you make matters, and it affects the different endings you can get because all 3 paths are intertwined. Like, you play as 3 different androids, Kara, Connor, and Marcus, and I would love to see how you guys choose and what decisions you make and your opinions on the subjects they talk about. And then there are other games that I'd love to see you guys play. They're like Cuphead. I would love to see you guys try Cuphead because I can just see the rage now. And I would also like to see you guys play Overwatch because that'd be a fun experience to see how you guys can handle a fast-paced game like Overwatch, and just that'd be fun. And you know, I know a lot about Overwatch, so even if you guys did, like, you guys would probably play it, then I'd be sitting there like, no, that's not how that works. Like, you'd play Lucy or something and you'd be trying to shoot your teammates to heal them, and I'm like, nope, that's the #1 mistake people make when they play Lucio. That's not how it works. And then I'd have to tell you guys that while, like, simultaneously being like, cringe, that's not how the game works, but I'd still love to see it because it's fun to watch people play the games you like playing. So those are some things that I wanted to say about it, but I love watching you guys play video games. I like it a lot. It's fun. I will say like, try to take it more seriously. Obviously, this was in the same recording session, so I get that it's like the same vibe because it's like you haven't gotten any like feedback yet, and like you hadn't really changed. Like you hadn't heard from the audience how they felt about it yet. So I get that, but I would say that in like other recording sessions, try to take it a little more seriously, pay a little more attention to the game, even if it's like after this game, like other games. Take it a little more seriously. Try to get a little bit more immersed in it. Yeah, obviously feel free to crack jokes and everything, but I'd love to see you guys, take the game seriously. Maybe save the jokes for a game that's more or less serious, less story-based, like, I don't know, Spyro, like the Reignited trilogy just came out recently, and that game is a lot of just kind of running around and shooting things and jumping places, and that seems like a really good game for you guys to, like, talk about and, like, talk over and make jokes and stuff. But games like this are a little more story-based at times, so try to take them a little more seriously in the future, and it's still a lot of fun. Obviously, you saw that I really couldn't stop smiling. It's a lot of fun, and I'm very happy you guys are doing Joystick Joyride now, and I'm just, yay, and it made me very happy, so great job.